Imagine for a moment that everything you've been told about why your life isn't working out. The career setbacks, the broken relationships, the late nights staring at the ceiling wondering why you feel so empty. What if all of it has less to do with what you do, and everything to do with the frequency you live in? I know that sounds wild, but stay with me. Because in the next few minutes you are going to see how the science of quantum physics isn't just some abstract theory for academics. It is the very mechanism shaping your reality. And once you learn to use it, things can shift so fast, people around you won't even recognize you. Now let me start with a confession. For years, I was stuck in a cycle that felt impossible to escape. On the outside, everything looked fine. Smiles, achievements, the usual highlight reel. But inside, I felt hollow, numb. Like no matter what I achieved, it would never be enough. Have you ever been there, where the outside doesn't match the inside? I remember one evening, watching the clock tick toward 5 p.m. because that was my excuse to pour a glass of wine, just to take the edge off. And one day the weight of it all broke me. Tears, desperation, fear. That was the night I realized, if I didn't change something, really change something, I was going to live the rest of my life trapped in that hollow cycle. And then something strange happened. A quiet voice inside said, "There has to be more." That whisper is where my journey began. And maybe, if you're watching this right now, it's where yours begins too. Now, here's the crazy part. My search for more didn't lead me to another relationship or another hustle for success. It led me straight into the world of quantum physics. Sounds strange, right? But hear me out. Quantum physics taught me that everything, my emotions, my thoughts, even the heaviness in my chest, wasn't just in my head. It was energy, vibrations, frequencies that not only shaped how I felt but were literally broadcasting into the world around me. Here is the hook that blew my mind. The universe doesn't respond to what you say, it responds to what you are. Think of it like a radio. If you're tuned to the frequency of sadness, fear, or lack, you don't magically pick up the abundance channel. You keep receiving songs that match the dial you're on. And suddenly, my entire life made sense. No matter how many affirmations I repeated, no matter how much I visualized success, if my actual vibration was still tuned to fear or lack, I was blocking the very reality I was trying to call in. Drop a comment below if this already resonates. Tell me, what frequency do you feel you've been living in lately? Be honest. Awareness is the first step. This isn't just my story. One client I met was barely surviving, coaching just 2 people, scraping by. Within a year of shifting her vibration, not grinding harder, not chasing harder, but tuning her energy, she was serving 2,000 people. Another person tripled their income in months, not because they found the perfect strategy, but because they finally aligned with the frequency of worthiness and abundance. And maybe the most moving story of all, a woman drowning in shame and self-doubt. Through these quantum principles, she shifted into joy, deep connection, and relationships so healthy, she once thought they were impossible. This is what quantum physics reveals. Your life is not a random set of events. It's a mirror of your vibration. Now here's where things get really interesting, and I will share the deeper secret later in this video. But first, you need to understand one crucial principle. Your feelings emit a frequency, and those frequencies pull back experiences that match them, like magnets snapping together. So if you're living in fear, anger, or doubt, you'll keep seeing circumstances that prove those emotions right. But when you shift into love, joy, or even just appreciation, you start attracting opportunities that echo those states back to you. Imagine 2 rooms. In one, the air feels heavy. You walk in and instantly feel tense, like you want to leave. In another, you step inside and feel light, energized, inspired. Same you, different frequency. This is measurable. The HeartMath Institute has mapped how emotions like fear and shame emit low vibrations, while gratitude and joy radiate high ones. Your body is a broadcasting tower. Every second you're tuning reality. And the question is, are you doing it consciously or unconsciously? If this is clicking for you, hit that like button. Not just because it helps the channel, but because when you engage, Even with something as simple as a like, you resending energy that anchors this truth deeper into your subconscious. I'll give you practical tools to turn up your frequency instantly. But before I do, let me ask, what's your dream? Travel the world, build a business that actually matters, finally feel whole inside your relationships. Those dreams aren't random fantasies. They're parallel realities already vibrating in existence, waiting for you to tune into them. And here's the subtle promise I want you to hold on to. Later in this video, I'll reveal the missing piece, the reason most people sabotage themselves even when they understand vibration. If you've ever wondered why manifestation doesn't work, you'll want to stick around. Let's get into your first quantum tool. Tool 1, turn up your frequency. The fastest way, move your body. Exercise, dance, breathe deeply. Every time you raise your physical energy, you shift the channel you're tuned into. Tool 2, set an intention. Not a vague wish, but a clear decision to align with love or above. Because when you declare, "I'm operating from love today," you instantly shift the vibration you're broadcasting. Let's breathe for a second. Inhale. Exhale. Ask yourself, if I could have, do, or be anything, what would light me up? That feeling? That spark? That's your soul showing you the frequency to align with. Next, we're going to go deeper into the secret most people miss about quantum creation, the protocols to hold your vibration even when life gets messy, and how to step into the reality that's been waiting for you all along. But before you go, subscribe right now. If you want to live at a higher frequency, you need to surround yourself with content that feeds that energy. This is your environment upgrade. It's not enough to raise your frequency for a moment. The real secret is learning how to stabilize it, even when life throws its chaos at you. Think about it. How many times have you felt inspired after a meditation, or high vibe after watching a video, only to crash the moment someone cut you off in traffic, or your boss criticized you? That crash isn't failure. It's simply proof that your subconscious programming, the stories buried deep inside, are still running the show. This is where the law of attraction fails most people, because attraction is surface level. It's like trying to glue wallpaper on a cracked wall. The law of vibration, on the other hand, goes deeper. It's about becoming the kind of person, the frequency, that naturally broadcasts the reality you want. So how do you stabilize your vibration? Let's go into the next set of tools. Quantum Tool 3. Shift your energy toward desire, not fear. Most people focus on avoiding what they don't want. I don't want to be broke. I don't want to be alone. I don't want to fail. But the universe doesn't hear don't. It just matches the vibration of your focus. If you're dwelling in fear of being broke, you keep tuning to scarcity. Instead, shift your attention to the feeling of already living what you desire. Close your eyes and ask, how does it feel to already be free, loved, abundant? That emotional state is the frequency that pulls your dream toward you. Quantum Tool 4. Guard your environment. This one is massive. Your frequency isn't created in a vacuum. It's shaped by the people and energy around you. Ever notice how spending an hour with someone negative leaves you drained? That's entrainment. Your vibration literally syncs with theirs. So take inventory. Who in your life lifts you higher? Who drains you? What kind of content are you consuming daily? When you choose high-vibe environments, you amplify your own frequency without effort. Quantum Tool 5. Make never giving up non-negotiable. Not in the hustle sense, but in the vibrational sense. Quitting doesn't always look like throwing in the towel. Sometimes it looks like letting your old patterns pull you back into fear, shame, or self-doubt. The mantra I want you to remember is this: things are always working out for me, even when it looks like they aren't, even when the path is unclear, because that mantra keeps your frequency stabilized in trust, instead of collapsing back into fear. I once worked with someone who'd been struggling for years. No matter what she tried, affirmations, vision boards, goal setting, she kept circling back to the same stuck place. Then she began practicing stabilization. She stopped obsessing over, when will this work? and started focusing on simply holding her frequency of peace and trust, moment by moment. Within months, her outer world transformed. New opportunities, deeper relationships, financial flow. Not because she hustled harder, but because she finally embodied the frequency that matched her dream. That's the secret. Your life is not changed by chasing. It's changed by aligning. Because here's the final truth. No circumstance, no person, no place has the authority to lock you out of your highest vibration. Only you can decide which frequency you'll operate in. So let me ask you, where in your life are you ready to turn it up? Love, abundance, creativity, forgiveness? Right now, pick one area. Decide that from this moment forward, you are stabilizing a higher vibration there. Not hoping, not wishing, but deciding. And remember, when you think you've hit your ceiling, expand. When you feel you've hit your maximum, stretch. There's always more frequency available to you. That's the beauty of quantum physics. It shows us reality isn't fixed, it's fluid, and you are the tuning fork shaping it every single day. If this video lit something up in you, hit that like button. It lets me know to create more on this path. Share this with a friend who needs to remember their power. And if you haven't yet, subscribe now. Because this isn't about watching more videos. This is about surrounding yourself with a frequency that lifts you higher. Every time you tune in, you're not just a body walking through a random world. You are a frequency shaping reality. And the moment you decide to consciously stabilize that frequency, you step into a life so aligned, so abundant, so radiant. People will swear you discovered some kind of magic.